You're adopted. You're adopted.
You tired? Okay.
Okay.
No magia.
Come on, you're gonna walk away. Oh my gosh!
Sit. Jeez.
Listen, just bite it. Gentle.
Oh, hold on. Don't panic. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
Oh my god.
Station 9.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Let's show them your trick. Close your eyes. Okay, open them.
You guys, look at what my dog does when I talk in a different voice.
Hey, Rex, what are you doing? What are you doing, doggy? Hey, come here there, doggy. Come here, doggy.
Oh shit.
Penny, you sure you want to eat right now? I was thinking about going for a walk.
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
Oh.
Swear to God, if you fart here, what are we doing?
What?
Down. Good girl.
No! No!
Piss.
Let's go take a bath. Come on. Let's go.
Give me a kiss. That was a fake kiss.
Listen, just bite it. Gentle.
trying to do my schoolwork, bro. Get the fuck out of my way, bro.
That's what I was thinking too.
Where did you come from?
Hey.
Molly, no! Molly, no!
Set, go! Oh my, oh my gosh!
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
This is the firstborn. She always sleeps on her back.
Hello? Hello? No, 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 no.
I just wanted to see what it's like to be in your house.
Oh my god!
Oh, you don't like it, do you?
It's just water.
No veo de shit.
All I did was sneeze. I'm really sorry I scared you. Okay, go back night-night.
Ta-da!
Okay.
He's sitting, standing, and laying down all at the same time.
You choose to sleep there? Really, mister?